Good morning and welcome to another live trading session by your boy Prodigy, working on becoming a full-time millionaire. Currently a part-time trader, and at one point I was a full-time 9 to 5. Now I'm part-time 9 to 5, part-time trading, because trading is actually taking off finally. So soon I'll be a full-time trader. Pre-market right now, 4 minutes till market opens. We will live trade if we do catch anything, and we'll update you guys if we do catch anything. Let's get right to it, guys. We don't have much news going on other than 8:45, another speaker speaking. Let me know if you guys are trading, what you guys are looking at, so I can start checking it out too for myself. If you guys want me to look at any other charts or look at any other stocks that you guys want me to trade, I'm down to literally trade it. Just drop it down in the comments below and I'll literally trade it for you guys. I promise. I'm that guy. Which stock to trade, and I promise you I'll trade it. Anyways, we got 3 minutes to market opens. Let's try to catch something.
So Apple was my first trade, and I hopped in pretty light since it was my first trade. So I only hopped in for about 3 contracts. You can see I only bought 2 right there at that moment, and we get a big pump to the upside. I was watching level 2 as well as the time and sales to try to catch this. And I'm learning the Discord. That's what you see me hopping in and out of. And I end up hitting sell here at the very tippity top, which ended up running more, but I'm glad to exit here because it was a good gain.
So what I don't want to do, since I just took a dub on Apple, is I don't want to take another trade and then I end up losing, because that honestly can happen. It eats up your gain. So the best thing you can do, guys, is just kind of walk away. But what I'm going to do, to be honest, since I've already made some gains last week and I made some gains these past couple weeks, I am going to continue trading and try to catch something with some nice scalps. I'll live trade it, guys. I'll live trade it. You already know I'm going to drop it down. So I'm pretty transparent with you guys, and I'm going to show you guys all the time what I'm doing. So let's try to catch something in this choppiness. We're going to catch an A1 setup, though. So we're going to wait for A1 setup and then we'll catch it.
So my last trade was on Amazon and ended up putting me in the red on a day after this nice breakdown downtrend. And I thought I can enter on the nice 21 EMA retest and get a nice downside action with the break below the daily support level that I have here. And at first it was going good in our favor, and I actually was in a little bit of profits, but I wanted some more. But it ended up reversing on me and pumping and breaking up to the upside for bullish momentum.
So we ended up doing exactly what we said we would not do. Here is the P&L for the day. I'm trying to be transparent with you guys and let you guys know when I take an L. But yes, I took an L. I tried to trade Amazon on some shorts here, and Vinny did point out something pretty interesting that I didn't even honestly catch myself. But yeah, on the daily time frame, why was I trying to go short when it's bouncing on a specific daily level? And on top of that, it is hitting some nice SMAs. When you look at the SMA level, I believe it's hitting the 50. But anyways, guys, it's totally fine. We took some L's today. Usually we've been winning, but anyways, it's totally fine, guys. It happens. So you're not always going to win. And realistically, you're not always going to win. You're not always going to have a green day. That's just not realistic. You're going to have a day where you take an L, and today was that day. Plus, the market was a little bit choppy. It was hard and it was pretty difficult to try to take trades. It is what it is. We still got tomorrow, and we still got rest of the week. It's only Tuesday, so we have enough Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to recover. But either way, guys, let's get right to it. We're going to head to work. Let's do it. Uh-oh, a little bit late. I'm not gonna lie, after driving this car, I actually like Porsches. The interior kind of grew on me. I didn't really like this, but they drive so nice. Just got out, 3:20. I'm ready to go home, get the day started, get onto charting, guys. Let's talk about trading. Let's talk about things we need to work on. Unfortunately, tomorrow, guys, I actually do have to go and work a little bit early. So instead of working until, well, you guys don't even know this, but usually I trade until about 8:30, but tomorrow I will have to leave at 8. So I will only have an hour and a half to trade instead of 2. But anyways, let's get back on home. All right, guys, so we're back home. We charted up and we're already done for the night. But guys, 2 out of the 3 trade plans already hit. Microsoft was the real breadwinner and Apple were the real breadwinner. Although my eyes were on AMD the most, those 2 other trade plans actually took off the most, and I did live trade at least Apple for you guys. Now, I didn't catch Microsoft, although right at the open, there was only one opportunity to catch Microsoft, and it was literally a quick wick to the downside, which touched that zone that I said to take calls at, and that was the only time to enter. Until then, it literally took off and actually broke all-time highs. Microsoft broke all-time highs just based off that technical analysis that we did yesterday night, with so much bulls stepping in, about to break a big resistance level, and it ended up popping through and ended up pushing through all-time highs, which is crazy nice. Now, we were able to catch Apple with a nice continuation after a break of the range with a nice bullish pennant to the upside after, I believe, the stock level was 191.95. We ended up taking calls on the break of it right to the upside on the momentum trade, and it ended up actually coming to retest a specific level again on a nice hammer with a good amount of volume and bouncing up on the EMAs to the VWAP all the way up to the upside.
So I love taking retest trades, and that was a good retest if anybody would have entered on that one. And I did alert the Discord to let people know that Apple is coming here, building a base of buyers, as well as support is here, hitting a nice level, and it's on VWAP and a couple EMAs. So that was a good trade retest. Now, overall, last night I did say I was bullish today. I did say that the market does look like it does want to continue on up to the upside, even though the S&P 500 SPY, the stock itself, did look pretty bearish. The other stock like Microsoft, AMD, Apple, and Nvidia, and Google all looked pretty bullish. So I did think that it was going to continue up and push SPY up, and that's what did happen. So today we did get the bulls, and we broke all-time highs, and we even broke all-time highs after hours. As we're speaking right now, we're on all-time highs again. Now, SPY is just in this specific range that I've been waiting to take calls and puts at. I've been scalping trades in and out on SPY, but it's not really any good setups, which is why it's pretty difficult to trade SPY at the moment, because it's just hitting these all-time high levels and then breaking down to $2 to $1 down, and then coming back up to retest that level. And it's kind of just chopping around, ranging, going nowhere. So it's real difficult to try to catch anything on SPY. But as you can see right here, SPY does look pretty solid. It does look like it does want to take up to new highs again, although that is pretty risky to try to take the bet on that. So we will be cautious to trade SPY if we do trade it, but we will most likely trade other stocks. But so far, we have no trade plans for tomorrow. We do have FOMC, a Fed meeting tomorrow that will be dropping, and I do believe it's just a pre-recorded meeting, so it's really nothing too much to worry about, although the market might react. So we'll see how tomorrow goes, guys. We'll live trade again. I hope you guys like this series. Comment down and like this video, please. Let me know what you guys are trading. Let me know what you guys want me to trade. If you guys want me to look at anything or even chart up anything that you guys want me to look at, I will do that. I will trade it for you guys. Trust me. But have a good rest of your guys' night. Tomorrow is Wednesday. It's the middle of the trading week, so let's try to catch some good gains and let's try to turn this around. Today was an L day. As you guys can see, it was a $42 loss, but we'll try to catch that up tomorrow, or at least Thursday and Friday, because tomorrow is FOMC. So we'll see what happens, but let's get it.